This is Michael, and he will be showing you how to properly handle a boom pole. First, let's go over the parts of a boom pole. The boom pole has a mounting piece, extension locks, and a handle. When you first go to use the boom pole, you will have to remove the silver adapter off the top. Once removed, place the adapter in the microphone bag and grab the microphone and clip. You should screw on the microphone clip and slide in the microphone. Once you have your microphone attached, you can extend the boom pole to the desired length. Starting with the bottom, loosen the extension locks and slide the pole to the desired length. Now that your boom pole is together, attach your H6, H5, or other recording device to your hip. We will use this later. Next, you can attach the female end of the XLR cable to the microphone. Set the XLR cable on the ground and spin the boom pole so the XLR cable is wrapped around about 3 times. Next, attach the male end of the XLR cable to the H6, H5, or other audio recording device. Now with all the extra XLR cable, coil the XLR, reattach the Velcro strap, and lay the XLR cord on your arm. Make sure to leave enough XLR cable uncoiled so that you can move freely. Now you are ready to use the boom pole. But how? While using the boom pole, you should always have 3 points of contact on the pole. It should be your hand, the back of your neck, and your other hand. And make sure to look towards the microphone on the boom pole. That ensures that you will always record what you are looking at. Also note that the microphone on the end of the boom pole is fragile, so be careful when you are moving the boom pole. Once done recording, you can dismantle the boom pole by reversing the earlier steps. Take the XLR cable off your arm, unattach the XLR from the recording device, unwrap it from the boom pole, and disconnect it from the microphone. Always make sure to recoil the XLR. This will prevent kinks. Next, retract the extended part of the boom pole and remove the microphone and clip from the boom mounting piece and put it into the microphone bag. There you have it. You now know how to use a boom pole. Now get out there and record something.